We started a search and rescue operation out in the Eaton area where in the first day of this operation, grid searching, we searched approximately 364 properties in the Altadena area, and unfortunately during that search, we did locate 3 deceased. As these searches continue, I unfortunately anticipate that those numbers will increase.
Now today, strong north to northeast winds gusts are up to 50 miles per hour with low humidity will be observed. A red flag warning is in effect and will remain until 6 p.m. Wednesday evening. Strong Santa Ana winds are also expected to last through Wednesday, with the strongest winds occurring on Tuesday. With the next wave of wind events, I want to be very, very clear here. It's very important that the community understands that these wind events are coming into Los Angeles. I want to reassure you that Mayor Bass, Chief McDonald, and I are united and focused on exactly what we need to do to prepare the city with these next strong winds that are coming.
We will be prepared. We will get through this. But it takes the unity and the spirit that I saw yesterday to make sure that Los Angeles comes out of this a much better city.
So we are expecting severe gusts of wind in the coming days. Is the city prepared regarding fire hydrants and water pressure?
I believe the city is prepared.
All of the reports that I've received is that the LA County water system is ready and it will be prepared to assist us in fighting a wildland fire.